Hey friends, today I'm going to be teaching you a quick lesson about comparing and ordering numbers. So follow along with me and we're going to get started. So these are just state the things that we're going to learn today by the end of this lesson. You will be able to order numbers 1 through 20. You will be able to compare numbers 1 through 20. And you will also be able to determine what comes before and after a given number. Now, before we start, I just want you to take a look at both of these cups and think to yourself, which one do I think could hold more? Which one do you think could hold more? The one on the left? I agree with you, because why do you think it could hold more? Yes, because it's a larger cup and it's wider at the top. Very good. So it's safe to say that the cup on the left can hold more than the cup on the right. And the cup on the right would hold less than the cup on the left. Now I chose another silly example with French fries because we all love French fries. So which one do you think, which plate of French fries do you think would hold less? The one on the left? Why do you think that? That's right, because it's a smaller container. And you can easily see, even though without counting, that it has less fries in there. And the platter on the right has more fries. Very good job. We're still going to talk about more and less, except for now we're going to look at objects in a group. You've been given some groups of squares and groups of circles. So I want you to look and I want you to think to yourself, is there more squares or more circles? More squares? Very good. Because we can look at this group and we can tell just without even having to count that there are more squares. Very good. Another way that we can examine these groups is by assigning a number to them. So if you look at the squares, you will see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. There are 7 squares here. And then on the circle side, there are 1, 2, 3. So it is safe to say that 7 is greater than 3. Let's do another one. This one looks a little bit tricky because there's several on both sides. So I want you to take a minute and think to yourself, how many, which group has more and which one has less? So first, let me ask you, which one do you think has less? The smiley faces, yes. Why do you think so? Very good, because there are 5 smiley faces and there are 8 triangles. I love that you counted those and you chose to identify them with their numbers. Very good job. Now, I'm showing you 3 different numbers and I want you to think about these numbers and I want you to tell me something that you know to be true about these numbers while using the words more, less, or greater than, or less than. 2 is less than 7. That's true. Very good. 7 is greater than 4. Very good. So before we move on, I want you to think to yourself, if I was to put these in order from least to greatest, which number would come first? 2. Very good. What would come next in this number sequence? 4 or 7? 4? Why do you think it's 4? Very good, because the number 4 is smaller than the number 7. Let's check our work. 2, 4, and 7. Very good. Now, before we go off of here, I want to leave you with a thought. I want you to think this is just a silly story. Would you rather leave the store with 4 boxes of brownies or 1 box of brownies? 4 boxes of brownies? Why is that? Because you'll get more brownies. Right, but you might leave the store with a tummy ache though. But definitely 4 boxes would be more than 1 box. Very good. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to go back to our HyperDoc and continue working your way through the other components of the lesson. I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.